Hello. I'm in Madrid. Oh my god. I'm now actually in Madrid. Yo, Anthony. Tom. Kira, say hi.
Hi.
Well, here, like I said, here I am in Madrid. Oh my god. And this is all part of a project I've got to do with the college. I mean, look outside it, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's better in the day. What are you singing, dude?
They like I couldn't mind all the time.
You and me cover my biscuit.
Oh, alright.
Sick.
Coca-Cola advert.
No, Coca-Cola's in cocaine.
No, Coca-Cola.
Yes, we are. We changed. That's Lawrence.
Hello. Look, battle of the cameras.
Oh, what the fuck? That's amazing.
So anyways, guys, small funny guy one reporting out from Madrid. Bye. Hey guys, me with Tom, Anthony, Kira, and myself. Look, got some new headphones. Yes, I film myself because I'm on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Cool.
I've got like hundreds of subscribers, about 20,000 video views.
Awesome.
Guys, you guys are legend for subscribing. Yeah, basically these guys are my favourite awesome college friends. Like I said, we're in here in Madrid for, well, it's a project I'm doing with college. But this is really nice, Madrid. It's kind of cool. It's still warm, but a little bit of a breeze. And we decided to walk back. So can't be asked to catch the bus later. See you in a bit. Hey, me. It's me. It's me. Small funny guy one. But here we are, as I'm still in Madrid, which is absolutely awesome. Look at this focus actually. Here I am with Kira and Tom, my two awesome friends. We did a meeting and we worked with some school kids. We worked with some school kids, which was not bad. And
awesome.
But this place is pretty awesome. I want to come on holiday here again, but I mean for like 2 weeks.
Is your camera on the front?
You can like reverse it and
Oh right, so
got camera on the back, camera on the front.
Oh, I've just taken a picture of Madrid's ground.
But this is really nice. I think we're going to, well, I'm not sure where we're going now, but I kind of fancy going back to the hotel, getting something to eat. So I'm starving. We've had an ice cream, but that's not done anything.
So
You're doing like a vlog as well, in a way.
yeah, kind of, yeah.
Do you do like vlogs and?
I don't actually upload them.
You don't put them on
I just
YouTube.
see-
You don't put them on YouTube, but you do like your own vlogs, like for memories and stuff.
I've just started doing it, so I think I'm gonna pick it up more.
I'm just gonna. I want to take a
What's
photo
with
of
this
whatever
freaking Jedward hairstyle I've got?
Yeah.
That's not good. I don't want to be look like Jedward.
So.
Yeah, anyway, this place is really nice.
Oh,
And
never mind. I'll do it later.
so you enjoying your holiday, Tom?
Yes, I am, Lawrence.
Yes,
I see you've got your camera.
battle of the
Oh,
cameras.
No, oh no. That's just horrifying.
You enjoying your holiday, Kira?
Yeah, it's alright.
Would you recommend it to the YouTube viewers to come
Yes,
here?
I would. But preferably when there's not really any protest going.
Yeah, there were protests going yesterday. All these headphones.
Oh, there were a few hundred people in green shirts protesting against the cuts.
200, don't you mean
Education.
few thousands?
I wouldn't go as far to say 1,000. I'd say, well, thousands.
Just under 1,000. at
Yeah,
least.
yeah. What even is that?
It's Anthony's home. Oh, I like that one.
Oh, that's just me.
Yeah,
Anyways, guys, see you later. Here I am at the Real Madrid football stadium.
Where's my mate, Ben?
Pretty awesome. Awesome stadium. What do you guys think of the stadium? Good. What do you think of the stadium?
Sick, man.
Good.
Hey, Lawrence.
Oh yeah, sorry.
What I'm talking about.
We are in the Real Madrid
That's
stadium.
what I'm saying, bro. That is bad.
That is amazing. Oh, this is just sick.
Sick stadium.
I've been on.
Wow, this is pretty awesome. I'm actually sat on the pitch. Well, on the seats near the pitch. This is pretty awesome. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. This is really awesome. All I can say is, guys, oh my freaking god, this is amazing. Because I definitely am.
Oh, I can't get my fucking finger out of the camera.
Adam, you enjoying this?
Yeah, man.
These are the actual seats. What they sit on. This is amazing. I'm actually sat in the seat of one of the players. These are amazing. These are actually really awesome. All I can say is this is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Loving every minute of this. Okay, this is the actual changing rooms that they all get changed in. This is so amazing. Even shows the showers and everything. The toilet. This is awesome. The showers and whatever. This is amazing. This is even the health room. This is ballistic. Hey guys, back home. I'm back. No more Madrid. But we're back now and, well, normal self. Here we are, Manchester Airport. Coming home soon, so we were chilling with Vampire Ninja in a bit. That's pretty cool. And hope you've enjoyed this video, these vlogs on the trip. See you on the YouTube show.